name is Yasmina Elizabeth Mullender. I am in 3A. I wrote a story about my trip to Lebanon. I will read it to you all. Going to Lebanon. One day, I woke up early. I was going to Lebanon for a whole month. I jumped out of bed quickly and woke up my little sister. I whispered, "Wakey, wakey, Malak, we're going to Lebanon." Malak also jumped quickly out of bed. We rushed into our mother's bedroom and whispered, "Wake up, Mama, we're going to Lebanon." My mother opened her eyes sleepily, yawned, and smiled and said, "We are going to see Lucy. Lucy is my mom's friend." We had a quick breakfast, and after that we brushed our teeth so our mother could pack our toothbrushes in her suitcase where they would ride safely. Then we made sure that we have everything we would take. So we took our suitcases, our stuffed animals, and our backpacks, and we went down the stairs. We went out of the garage onto the pavement. We were waiting frantically and impatiently for my uncle to come up. Finally, after about 10 minutes, my uncle showed up in his large grey car. He was a bit late. We had a nice journey, and after about half an hour, we arrived at the airport. There, we said bye to my uncle and went into the airport. The only problem was that it was so busy and it took us ages to get through everything. But in the end, we got onto the plane, and then the adventures began in our beloved Lebanon. The end.